Occitan language is a very easy language to learn. Occitan is the native language of southern France. Occitan is also spoken on the border of the Italian Alps and in a small territory in the north of Spain, in the Aran Valley. I is pronounced I after a vowel, and is pronounced E after a consonant. I is always used in Occitan for the first person and placed at the end of the verb. Example with present indicative. I am.
Suj.
I have.
Ai. Ei.
I know.
Sabe.
Sai. Sei.
I don't know.
Sabe pas.
Sei pas.
I can.
Pode.
I can't.
Pode pas.
I come.
Veni.
Venghi.
I'm arriving.
Arrivi.
Warning. There are two exceptions. Do and go are irregular, ending in how or I do, I make.
Fau. Eu.
I go, I'm going.
I vau, me'n vau.
Two irregularities only. Occitan constantly uses I as the ending of the verbs for the first person singular for all conjugation. And now, other examples of present indicative with first person singular subject. I give.
Vagli.
I put.
Buti.
I leave, I let.
Daisi.
Desci.
I drink.
Bevi.
Beui.
I eat.
Mangi. Mingi.
I'm leaving home.
Partissi de l'hostal.
I come back, I return, I start again.
Turni.
I'm stopping myself.
M'arresti.
In m'arresti, for I stop me, there is an M before the verb. Why? M, with an apostrophe in front of a vowel, M and E, in front of a consonant, phys for me or myself. I stop phys,
Arresti.
and I'm stopping myself phys.
M'arresti.
Another example. I buy it myself.
M'ho compri. M'accrumpi.
You understand with all these examples that the final letter or the final syllable defines the subject. The final letters are, I for I, S for you, N for they, with a post-tonic pronunciation of the final syllable, because the emphasis is placed on the penultimate syllable. Aren't you a little crazy?
Espas impaupec.
Haven't you seen the cat?
Has pas vist lo gat?
What are you doing? What do you do?
Què fas? Què és?
Where are you going?
On vas?
Do you want some milk for breakfast?
Vols de leche per dejunar? Vols leite en ta dejunar?
Example with the present indicative. The final syllables are E or I, for I. For you singular.
Os.
Infinitives ending in A, R.
Es.
For all other forms of you singular.
On. Un. En.
For they. Example. To taste.
Tasta.
They taste the cake.
Taston la coco.
To escape.
S'escapa.
They escape.
S'escapon.
To live.
Viurre. Viue.
They live in the village.
Vivundi en lu village. Viu en au village.
To want.
Voler.
They want bread.
Volunder po.
To pretend.
Pretendre.
To adore.
Adorar.
They pretend you adore me.
Pretendum que m'adoros.
To have to.
Debe.
Deure. Diue.
You must go there.
I debes anar.
I diue sana.
To finish.
Fini.
To come.
Beni.
You finish and you come here.
Finishes e benes alci.
To dwell.
Demorar.
You dwell there in that farm.
Demoros aquí, dins aquello bordo.
To go out.
Sortir.
You go out of the castle.
Sortisses del castell.
To try.
Ensaja.
You try.
Ensajas.
To understand.
Comprene.
You understand.
Comprennes.
For we and plural you, the final letters are M, for we. T, Z, for you. These are strong consonants, the final syllables are therefore accented. For example, in the present indicative, the final syllables are
Am.
for we.
Ad.
For you, plural.
Ad.
Infinitives ending in a, are. For we.
Ex.
For you, plural. Example. To pay.
Paga.
To enter. To come in.
Entra. Dintre.
We pay for the ticket while you enter.
Pagam lo tiquet mentre que entrats. Pagam lo tiquet quan dintrats.
To sell.
Vendre. Bene.
To find.
Trapa. Trobar.
You sell cheap the stuffs you find.
Vendets bon mercat los de cos que trapats. Venets bon mercat los de cos que trobats.
To get out.
Se tira.
You get out there. You. Get out there.
Vos tirats d'aquí. Tirats-vos d'aquí. Tirà-vos d'aquí.
To believe.
Creire.
Creuser.
To explain.
Explicar.
We believe what you explain to us.
Cresem so que nous explicats.
To know.
Conèixer, coneguer.
To study.
Estudiar.
We know what you are studying at school.
Coneixem so que estudiats a l'escola.
To look.
Agacha. Gaita. Guarda.
You. Look at that.
Agachat saco. Gaitat saco. Guarda maco.
For the third person singular, the final syllable is according to the infinitive. There are three types of infinitives in Occitan. Final in R, final in IR, final in ER, or variant in RE. A note, the final letter R of the infinitive is silent in modern Occitan. A final, pronounced O in modern Occitan, unaccented post-tonic final syllable, for verbs ending in R in the infinitive. Is for final, accentuated final syllable, for most infinitive verbs ending in IR. Nothing, no ending for the majority of verbs with the infinitive ending in ER, RE, and a minority of verbs in IR. Only the radical for third-person singular present indicative. It sounds simple, but in reality, the lack of termination for the third-person singular generates irregularities. Example.
Caler.
Meaning have to, be necessary.
Cal.
It's necessary. Regular third-person singular form, simply the monosyllabic radical of the verb, no ending.
Cau.
Irregular form, the absence of a final syllable erodes the radical. L is rather pronounced how.
Pouder.
To can. It is an infinitive ending in er. Pod is the supposed regular version for she can, he can or it can.
Pot.
Pot is the real and irregular version used for she can, he can, or it can.
Dire.
Disait.
To say is an infinitive in ER and Occitan. The supposed regular version should be d, for she says, or he says that.
Sodit. Sadit.
Sadits is the real and yet irregular version for she says that or he says that. Other examples of irregular forms. To know.
Saber.
He knows.
Sap.
To want to.
Vole.
He wants.
Vol. Bou.
To be.
Ese. Estre.
It is.
Es. Ei.
He.
To have.
Ave.
She has.
A.
To do.
Fa. Est.
Faire.
He does.
Fa. Est.
To go.
Ana.
She goes.
Va.
About verbs that have an infinitive ending in IR. In most conjugations, these verbs insert is between the radical and the subject's final syllable mark. Except for the conditional mood and the future indicative, these two tenses are very simply made by adding the suffix identifying the subject to the infinitive, and whatever the infinitive. Example. To sleep.
Dormi.
You are sleeping.
Dormi. Dormisset.
To serve.
Servi.
They serve. They are serving.
Servisun. Servicen.
ISS justifies the ending is of the third person singular in the present indicative. ISS becomes the suffix is. She's reading.
Elle légis.
He's opening.
Ubris.
She goes out.
Surtis.
It smells.
Acosentis.
It blooms.
Floris.
Other examples of third person singular, present indicative. To sustain, to hold.
Teni. Tene.
He sustains. He holds.
Ten.
He is holding the wheel.
Telubulan.
To take.
Prene. Prendre. Prenge.
It takes.
Pren. Preng.
It takes me, hunger.
Me pren la fame. Me pren clame.
To fight.
Batre.
He's fighting.
Se bat.
To go up. To ascend.
Munta.
Puja.
She goes up. He ascends.
Elo. Munto.
Et pujo.
She goes up the stairs. He gets into the car.
Elo. Munto le scalie. El. Munto dien l'auto. Ed munto dien la veturo.
To cough.
Tussi.
She's coughing.
Tussis.
She's coughing like she's sick.
Tussis como sero malauto.
To rain.
Ploure. Plaue.
It's raining.
Blow. Blow.
To pass.
Pasa.
He passes.
Paso.
To listen.
Escuta.
She listens.
Escuto.
To walk.
Marcha.
She walks.
Marcho.
To approach.
Sara.
She gets closer.
Césaro.
To clothes.
Vara. Tampa.
He closes.
Varo. Tampo.
To hit. To type. To bang.
Tusta. Pica. Truca.
The son types.
Lu soleil tusto.
He types on the keyboard.
Pico sul clavier.
She knocks on the door.
Truco sur la portu.
To blow.
Buffa.
The wind is blowing.
Luben buffo.
To wash. To clean.
Lava. Laua.
He is washing his hands.
Se lavo las más.
To dance.
Danza.
She dances.
Danzo.
To sing.
Canta. Chanta.
He sings.
Canto. Chanto.
To change.
Cambia.
It doesn't change anything.
Ako cambio parres.
To love.
Aima.
She loves you.
Taimo.
To like.
Agrada.
I like it.
Ako m'agrado.
To light up.
Aluca. Alluma.
It lights up.
Saluc. Salemo.
To play.
Juga.
He plays.
Gioco.
To move.
Bugia.
Bulega.
She moves.
Buggio. Bullego.
To launch. To initiate.
Lanza.
Now she starts the new fashion.
Aro te lanzo la modo nubelo.
To start. To begin.
Comença.
He begins but without ending.
Començo mas sense acaba.
To turn.
Vira.
He turns.
Viro.
To go down.
Davala. Devara.
It goes down.
Ako davalo. Ako que devaro.
To fall.
Tumba. Caire.
He falls.
Tumbo. Cai.
To touch.
Tuca.
It touches.
Tuco.
To grumble. To growl.
Rumega. Reputega.
She grumbles.
Rumego. Reputego.
To think.
Pensa.
He thinks.
Penso.
To shout. To scream.
Crida.
She screams.
Crido.
To cry. To weep.
Plura.
She's crying.
Pluro.
To call or to name.
Suna. Apela.
She's calling James because his name is James.
Tapelo lu giamme pra mu che se suno giamme. Te suno lu giamme per mu che sapero giamme.
To dream.
Sumia.
He's dreaming.
Sumio.
To fly.
Bula.
No, this plane is not flying.
No, aquest avió bulo pas.
To rob. To steal.
Rauba. Pana.
Yes, he is stealing money from me.
O, me raubo de monedo.
To hope or to wait.
Espera.
She is waiting for you.
T'espero.
To hunt.
Casa.
He hunts.
Caso.
To fish.
Pesca.
He fishes.
Pesco.
To swim.
Nada.
She swims.
Nado.
To piss. To shit.
Pisa. Caga.
He urinates and defecates.
Piso e cago.
To mistake. To go wrong.
Engana. Trumpa.
She is wrong.
Se enganó. Se trumpó.
To hide.
Amaga.
He hides.
S'amagó.
To smoke. To steam.
Fuma.
He smokes.
Fumo.
To look for. To search.
Cerca.
He is looking for.
Cerco.
To lead. To drive.
Mena.
She leads.
Meno.
To count.
Cunda.
She counts.
Cunto.
To speak.
Parla.
He speaks.
Parlo.
The subject pronoun is useless in Occitan. It is only used to insist. I'm working.
Treballi.
I work, me.
Lleu, treballi.
I go.
I vau.
I'm going.
Lleu, i vau.
It's me.
És lleu.
I joue.
It's you.
Este. Ite.
És vosaltres.
To finish this video, here is the list of pronoun subjects in Occitan. In brackets, the dialect forms of Gascony. The Occitan Gascon of Aran is the official local language of this valley in the Pyrenees in Catalonia. These dialect forms are the norm there.
Lleu.
Joue. Tu.
El.
Et.
Ero. Elo. Nosaltres, nos. Nosauts, vosauts, vosaltres, vos. Elles, ets. Eres. Elos. Eros.
Sem los homes sem patrio che parlan la lenga d'oc, che parlan la lenga d'oc, trigusan lo nostre roc, ma sia pas d'Occitanio, ma sia pas d'Occitanio.